Hey guys, this is the dashboard, and this is a little bit of an update on the weekend. It's been a rough couple of days of me trying to make it out to car shows. Um, Plans change, car shows are scheduled that aren't there, whatnot. Want to start out by saying Wednesday, I probably mentioned it in another video, but I'm gonna mention it here again. I had planned to go down to Ormond Beach and check out a Mustang burnout event that was associated with Mustangs at Daytona. Well, then again, I was going to go on Saturday and check out their big car show on at Mustangs at Daytona at New Smyrna Speedway. Plans changed on both of those. One wasn't really on me; it was on a doctor's appointment. But then today, I changed my mind because I found out about the venue. We'll call it the venue. Yeah, they had them out in the parking lot of New Smyrna Speedway, and if you look at it on Google Earth, I may put a little insert in here. There's no shade, none, and it's 96, 98 degrees here in Florida. Nope, not doing it. I want to live. I don't want to burn up to a crisp. So I decided not to go. But I was gonna catch another car show like I planned on Wednesday. Well, Wednesday, not sure what happened there. I don't know if they just didn't plan it properly or they didn't announce it enough or whatever. But there was only like a handful of cars that showed up, and I couldn't find them. But I found out after the fact that they went. That my group at Kingsland Cars and Coffee went. So anyway, on to Saturday. The VFW somewhere near me, was having a car show where they had raffled off a hot rod to raise money for improvements to the VFW or some program. So I don't know. Didn't look at it too closely. Anyway, so I just was gonna hit that as I didn't make it to Daytona, so I'll just go to this thing. Ooh, man. I stopped by. There were 3 cars, including the raffle car.
There ain't nothing down here.
See the sign?
Yeah.
There ain't no car show here.
No. Win this car.
Yep.
Yeah, ain't nobody here.
Which means I'll follow the loop and leave.
Yeah. There's a few cars, that's it.
Yeah.
They must all be inside. Yeah, that's what it is. They're all inside. Uh-huh.
Glad we didn't waste our time.
Yeah.
Earlier.
Yeah. They're all inside.
Yep. So anywhere else you want to be?
No. I didn't see any of our crew at all.
No, that's what I'm saying. It wasn't very well advertised. Of course, I really can't blame them because they really didn't advertise the show. I mean, I didn't find out until the night before. So, if I didn't find out about it, I know most people didn't. So, anyway, Um, I'm going to talk about a little something that on that subject. You know, I don't know what's going on with people that like to schedule car shows. I don't know if they just don't think it through or don't plan it properly or what. But when I work with the Callahan Cruisers, when I go to car shows with them, they plan it out. They know what they're doing. They get the word out. They get the word out at all kind of car shows that they're having a car show and where it is, when it is, all that kind of stuff. I don't know if it's just that people aren't thinking about that, about how to advertise it, or what's going on. But they they kind of need to work on that, because this has been 2 car shows in the same week where there was little to no attendance. And I know it's a holiday week and everything and all that, but it's like they didn't advertise them at all. So I think I probably needed to say that, because if you're going to have a car show, you need to advertise it. You need to tell people about it. You need to get out at other car shows and advertise your car show. I mean, unless you don't want anybody to come. I mean, that's a simple fact. I mean, you're not going to get a lot of attendance if you don't let people know you're having a car show. I mean, that's just me. But it seems like everybody wants to throw together a car show nowadays, and they don't plan it thoroughly enough to know that they need to put these things together, that they need to be advertising well out in advance, and they need to target people that are already going to car shows. Get it out there on Facebook, get it out there in the car show forums and groups. You can tell how old I am. I'm talking about forums. Anyway, but yeah, just I don't know. It's kind of sad when you try to go to car shows and there's nothing going on. There's nothing there. But anyway, I got 2 more car shows on the agenda. I got one on Sunday at the Orange Park Mall. It's a new one. It's a first time show, so I don't know what I'm gonna find. I'm gonna go check it out. I'll get some sort of video out of it, be it a blog talking about how bad it was, or video talking about the various cameras, videos from the various cameras. So, and then Monday night, the Yulee Cars and Coffee bunch is doing a cruise in at the 7-Eleven in Yulee, so I'll have video from that. I'm definitely going to that. I actually get to go to a cruise in on my birthday. How about that? Anyway, so yeah, it's just kind of been one of those. I have been missing all the way around this week. I don't know what's going on. It's just I ain't had the luck this week. Things have just not worked out. So, anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. We'll keep going out trying to find car shows. So, enjoy.